I guess you're already using the RSI indicator, and let's be honest, it sucks. At least with the standard parameters, which are 70 for overbought and 30 for oversold levels. The problem is that you expect the price to bounce back from these levels, but it doesn't happen, and the RSI line can move inside the overbought or oversold zones for a long time. In this video, I'm gonna show you 3 ways and 2 pro tips to use RSI more effectively and increase the amount of profitable trades. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel and click the alert notification button. That way, when I release more useful content about trading like this, you'll get notified. RSI is a very popular and easy to use indicator. The standard parameters are 14, which stands for a 14 days time frame, measured on a scale from 0 to 100 with overbought and oversold levels. Let's use a different approach, which is much more effective. Step 1. Tweak the RSI length. If your preferred timeframes are below 1 hour, to be more precise 5, 15 or 30 minutes, tweak the length of the relative strength index from 14 to 8. If your preferred timeframes are above 1 hour, let's say 1 or 4 hours, use the 10 days length. The standard parameter 14 should be used in higher time frames such as 1 day, 1 week or 1 month. Step 2. Combine RSI with other indicators. Keep in mind that when you use RSI, it means that you trade against the current trend. Counter-trend strategies are effective when they are used in combination with other momentum indicators, reversal patterns, support or resistance levels, etc. I've been trading since 2013 and I found out that RSI combined with a moving average show amazing results. If this video gets 500 likes and 30 comments, I'll make a video with such a lucrative combo. Or simply send me an email and I'll tell you how you can get my strategy. Step 3. Pay attention to a trend. You should adjust the oversold and overbought levels to the trend direction. If the market is ranging, you can use the standard parameters, which are 70 and 30. If there is a strong downtrend or an uptrend, it's better to change the settings to 80 for overbought and 20 for oversold levels. I personally prefer using these settings as signals become more accurate. Pro tip number 1. Identify a trend with RSI. If you struggle to identify a trend, you can use RSI for this purpose. You can place 2 additional lines on the RSI window and enter 40 for the first line and 60 for the second one. If the RSI line is somewhere in between 40 or 60, it means that there is a sideways trend at this moment. Once it crosses one of these lines, it can show you a potential signal for an upcoming downtrend or an uptrend. Pro tip number 2. Use RSI as a part of a trend following strategy. As I said before, RSI is widely used as a part of counter-trend strategies. But did you know that it can also be used as a part of a trend following strategy? Once the RSI line crosses the 60 level, it shows that a potential uptrend may occur very soon, and vice versa. This approach works best with a moving average. You can test it on a demo account. If you don't have it, click the link in the pinned comment or description box below to open a free demo account and receive 50,000 euros of virtual money to test your strategies and different approaches. Now you know how to use RSI more effectively and how to make it more accurate. By the way, which tip do you like the most? Leave a comment below, I'd love to know. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel to get more insightful content like this. And check out my other videos that you might find helpful.